Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Wendy here, and I'm back again with another Lagos vlog. I'll be showing you what Lagos looks like in 2020. So today we'll be taking a completely different route. We're going through Surulere, Lawantin, Orile, Alafia, Suru, Alaba, and like all the road that leads to First Gate, First Act Town, Lagos.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told.
So we are currently at Surulere Road, which leads to Lawantin, Bode, Thomas. And remember, I said we'll be taking the road to First Gate, First Act Town. And for us to get to First Gate, we'll have to pass through Surulere, Lawantin, Orile, Alafia, Suru, Alaba, Mautu, Oke, Mautu, Durban, Maza, and then First Gate. I believe I covered all the major stops in this vlog, so you should sit back and relax. This is Surulere Road, which leads to Bode Thomas. And if you haven't been in Nigeria for a while, or if you haven't passed Bode Thomas in a while, then I don't know, you'll be amazed by what you're going to see. You will be so amazed. I mean, I don't know what happened there. I don't know how to explain it, but we'll soon see what I am talking about, because the entire road is messed up, and the fact that containers and trailers are even allowed to pass during the day when commuters are passing is a completely different story for another day. I don't even want to get angry. So this is the road. This is currently Bode Thomas. That is where we are now, and just stay tuned for you to see what I'm actually talking about, because the road is terribly bad, and right now it's raining in Lagos. So I wonder how the roads there will be. Will cars even be able to pass through this road, or will they find an alternative route to take? Can you just take a good look at this road? Can you just see what I am talking about? This is the same road that containers will pass. This is the same road. You can see how even small cars are struggling here. This is the same road that these containers will carry all the loads in the world and pass. Like, Nigerian government just has a way of putting the lives of their citizens in danger. Like, now just take a look at the left part of this road. It is totally destroyed, and the right part of this other road is destroyed. But you see these big cars. Okay, this is like a dustbin truck, but then these containers that they don't even have wage, we will still pass this same road. And I wonder, God, like, for somebody like me that has phobia for containers and trailers, Jesus Christ, like, I literally cringe when I see these things pass. You can see that this other part of the road is not even good. So both those coming and going are using just one road. You can see what is going on here. Nigerian government, people can do better. Or what is, or just take a good look. Like, this video is not even like really doing justice to it. And then it didn't rain today. It didn't rain the day this vlog was filmed, but imagine now, like, as of now when I am editing this, it is currently raining and everything is just so messed up. So just feed your eyes, okay? Feed your eyes, and remember, we are headed to Orile right now. guys, we are currently at Orile now, and as you can see, there's been a lot of changes, a lot of new development here. The government has tried to fix the road, this Orile road, yes, because it was bad before Orile to Mount 2. Although they are currently working on a road around Mount 2, which is why you're going to see that instead of taking the route by the right hand side, we're going to take one by the left because they are working on the one by the right. So yeah, they've been trying, but I just think they can do better. I personally think they can do better, and yeah, that's that about that.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so I think I have pretty much said everything. I have covered like all the developments, the bad roads, I've shown you what Lagos, Nigeria looks like. But if you have any video request, if there is any part of Lagos you'd like for me to film, please be sure to leave it in the comment section. And if you have any questions for me to respond to, then please leave it in the comment section too. I'll be sure to respond to them. I'll just let you enjoy the rest of this vlog, and the rest of this vlog is self-explanatory, so I'm sure you'd understand where we are at every point in time. So that'll be all for this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please and please subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it, and just enjoy the rest of this vlog. Thank you for watching.
That is on the track. Purchase your is on the track.